Managing clients' data securely is more critical than ever, and if you're searching for the best way to do that, you've come to the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into SuiteDash and show you how it can help you securely manage your clients' data. Plus, stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal a competitor that might even offer better options depending on your needs. Let's start with SuiteDash's secure client portal. The first thing that stands out is how this tool enables you to keep all of your client data organized and easily accessible while ensuring it's encrypted. That means you can safely store sensitive information and allow clients to access it only when necessary, which reduces the risk of data leaks or unauthorized access. You can customize the portal for each client, which is ideal for businesses that handle a lot of private data. Next thing, SuiteDash's built-in encryption. When you're dealing with sensitive client data, encryption is a must. SuiteDash offers SSL encryption across all interactions, meaning data transmitted through the platform is automatically protected from potential cyber threats. This is essential in today's world, where breaches are becoming more and more common. The third thing to note is SuiteDash's multi-factor authentication. Security doesn't stop at encryption. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to keep your clients' data safe. With SuiteDash, you can require clients to verify their identity using a second form of identification, whether it's a code sent to their phone or an email verification. Fourth thing, SuiteDash's audit logs. One thing that stands out with SuiteDash is the ability to track every interaction with your client data. The platform offers detailed logs so you can monitor who accessed what information and when. This is especially helpful if you need to ensure compliance with data protection laws, giving you peace of mind that you can quickly spot and respond to any potential issues. And here's something that really elevates SuiteDash, the client document storage feature. This is where you can securely store important documents like contracts, tax forms, and financial statements. The system organizes everything neatly so you don't have to worry about lost files or unsecured sharing methods. Next, SuiteDash offers a great level of control over data sharing. You can share documents and files securely with clients, but you also get to control who can view, edit, or download that information. It's highly customizable, allowing you to set specific permissions based on each client's role and needs. But here's the critical thing. While SuiteDash has many solid features, there are other platforms out there that do a better job at providing certain aspects of data security. For example, tools like Xero and Zoho CRM also offer encryption and client data management. However, they sometimes fall short in terms of advanced customization options and scalability when compared to SuiteDash, especially when you're managing a large volume of clients or need specific integrations. So, what's the takeaway here? SuiteDash is a strong contender for managing clients' data securely. It offers encryption, multi-factor authentication, audit logs, and a customizable portal, all at a competitive price. But if you're seeking more advanced reporting tools, tighter integrations with other platforms, or a broader range of automation features, you might want to consider some alternatives. Speaking of which, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you decide SuiteDash is right for you, through our link, you'll get an extended free trial with added benefits not available elsewhere. But don't worry, I've also included a few other excellent alternatives that offer a similar set of features with free trials as well. These platforms might even be a better fit for your specific data security needs, and they come with their own unique benefits. Check out the link in the description for all the details.